Greetings, friends. Today, we're going to break down Leasecrunch.com, a platform for automating lease accounting under ASC 842 and IFRS 16. The service helps companies simplify complex calculations, and now I'm going to show you what makes it stand out. Leasecrunch offers 3 plans. Standard plan, from $200 per month. Professional is $1,200, and corporate is individually priced. For new users, there is a 14-day trial period without payment. It is convenient to test the functionality. The platform automates calculations, payment terms, interest rates, amortization. Integration with Excel and QuickBooks saves up to 70% of time on site data. There are built-in report templates and real-time analytics. Interesting fact, Leasecrunch is used by over 26,000 companies, including restaurant chains and logistics firms. Customer reviews note that the service reduces reporting errors by 90%. Disadvantage: there is no mobile app, but the web version is adapted for smartphones. Support is 24/7, and the knowledge base contains 50+ instructions and video tutorials. If you're an accountant or finance manager, Leasecrunch is worth a try. The pricing is transparent and the time savings are significant. Thanks for being with us. If the video is helpful, hit like. It motivates us to do more reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new products. See you on the air.